In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. If you're new to using spreadsheets or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. We'll break it down into a few simple steps, so even if you're not a spreadsheet expert, you'll be able to follow along with ease. To get started, make sure you're in your Google Sheets document and have the two numbers you want to use for your percentage calculation ready and waiting in their respective cells. Now you're going to create a formula to calculate the percentage. First, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Once you're in that cell, type an equal sign. This lets Google Sheets know you're about to enter a formula. Next, you'll need to click on the second number, the one you're trying to see as a percentage of the first number. You'll notice the cell's reference is added to your formula automatically. Now comes the crucial part. You divide this second number by the first one. Type the division symbol or /, and then click on the first cell, adding that reference to complete the formula. Once your formula reads something like equals B2, A2, hit enter to see the raw decimal result of your division. We want to make this number a percentage, so now we'll move on to formatting it. There's a handy option right on your toolbar for this. Look for the percentage symbol icon and click it. Magically, Google Sheets will convert that decimal into a percentage. It's a simple but powerful transformation that instantly makes your data more visually intuitive. For a cleaner look, and to make your data easier to read, you can adjust the decimal places. To do this, locate the Decrease Decimal Places button in your formatting options. It looks like a dot with an arrow pointing to the left, and pressing it will neatly round off those numbers, giving you a tidier display. Once you've perfected the formatting for your first cell, the beauty of Google Sheets is that you can apply it to other cells with just a drag. Click back to your newly formatted percentage cell, and then press and hold the small square at the bottom right corner of this cell. This is called the fill handle. Drag it down over the other cells where you want the percentage formula to be applied. Google Sheets will automatically calculate percentages based on the other data you've selected. And just like that, you've calculated percentages in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. If this walkthrough made your task easier, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.